This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix call failed issues on iPhone. So if you're trying to make a call but you see call failed, just follow these simple steps to fix this issue. The first solution is go to your phone app, select keypad and type *3# and dial this. Quickly after doing it, open your control center, enable airplane mode for 20 seconds. After that, disable airplane mode and then check the issue. And the second solution is eject the SIM card. So eject your SIM card and after some time, reinsert the SIM tray and hope this solution will fix the issue. And the third solution is use a different SIM card and check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.